Let's see here. A and B are two unit vectors, students. A is a unit vector having some direction. B is a unit vector, magnitude is 1 and having some direction. Such that student A plus 2B and 5A minus 4B are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other means their dot product is 0. Then we have to find the angle between A and B, student. Students, A and B are unit vectors. So I can write A, magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B is equal to 1. Vector symbol I have not given means it's only magnitude, the unit vector. So that's why A is equal to B is equal to 1. So we want to multiply A plus 2B vector dot 5A minus 4B vector, that is equal to 0. Students, A in dot A is how much? Only 5A square na, students? Because A dot A same direction na, cos 0 is 1 na. Yes or no? So A dot A I could write 5A square plus, students, A into B. A is having some angle, B is some angle theta. So A dot B is AB cos theta. So that means if I will multiply A into 4B, so it will be how much? 4A B cos theta. So it will be minus. It will be minus. This minus 4 is there. So it will be minus 4AB cos theta. Again, 2B into 4B, how much? Minus 8B square, na, students? Let's multiply here. 2B into 5A. 2B into 5A, how much? 10AB. 10AB into angle between them is cos theta. So that is plus 10AB cos theta. In the previous problem, we have also multiplied like this. 10AB cos theta. Then 2B into minus 4B, how much? 8B square is equal to 0. So students, here by solving, I could get A is A1, B1, everything I will put, then 5 minus 4 cos theta, because everything is unit vector 1, plus 10 cos theta minus 8 is equal to 0. That means by solving 5 minus 8 is minus 3, minus 4 cos theta minus 10 cos theta, that is plus 10 cos theta, that is 6 cos theta is equal to 0. So cos theta is equal to 6, cos theta is equal to 3. So cos theta is equal to, students, half. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. So angle between A and B is, student, 60 degree. The angle between A and B is 60. You can see here, R vector is, F is this much, R is this much. We want to find cross product. We want to find R cross F. That means as per the format, write I cap, J cap, A cap, and here 2 minus 1, 1, R. And in place of F, 1, 2 minus 3. 1, 2 minus 3. Okay. So just by multiplying here, how much we'll get? Let I cap into, क्या करेंगे? Minus 3 into minus 1 क्या है? 3. 2 into 1 minus 2 plus J cap into 2 into minus 3. How much? Minus 6. 1 into 1 minus 1 plus K cap plus K cap. 2 into 2, 4. Minus of minus 1, that is 1. So the total answer is I cap. 3 minus 1 is 2, I cap. Plus minus of minus 6. Here minus J cap होगा, student. This is minus J cap. You know, minus J cap. So minus of minus, that is plus 7 J cap plus 5 K cap. So I cap plus 7 J cap plus 5 K cap. That is the cross product to this question. Students, here it is given, find the vector components of vector A along the direction of B. Vector A is given 2 I cap plus 3 J cap, and vector B is given I cap plus J cap. That means, student, vector component of A means either A cos theta or A sin theta. If I will find the A dot B, then I could find AB cos theta, and from there I could get A cos theta. From the dot product, I could get A cos theta. Once I got A cos theta, means I got a component of A, that is A cos theta. And I have to multiply the unit vector of B with that, so that I could get the vector component of A along the direction of B vector. That means the required vector will be C vector can be, students, let that is the vector, is the component of the vector A along the direction of B. That could be A cos theta, which I could get is one component into in the direction of B, so that's why multiplying B. I should how to find A cos theta. Students, you know A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. A vector dot B vector is equal to magnitude of A B cos theta. I want to find only A cos theta. Then what I have to do to find A cos theta, students? I have to take vector product of A dot B divided by, students, magnitude of B. By taking that, I could get A cos theta. That means here A cos theta के बदले में हम लिख सकते हैं A vector dot B vector divided by magnitude of B vector. Again, for B cap. B cap means, students, B vector for B cap. B vector divided by same magnitude of B. That is the B vector. So let's find. Students, see the required answer will be A dot B, students. Here A vector is 2 I cap plus 3 j cap and B vector is I into j. So A dot B, students, will be how much? A vector dot B vector is equal to how much? 2 I cap plus 3 j cap into I cap plus j cap. Friends, 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into 3, 1. So how much it is? 2 plus 3, it is 5. Yes or no? So the dot product of A dot B, students, 5 divided by magnitude of B, students, how much? B is this much. I plus j. So 1 square plus 1 square. That is 1 square plus 1 square. That is root over. Again, B vector, students, how much? I cap plus j cap. In place of B vector, I wrote I cap plus j cap. Again, magnitude of B is 1 square plus 1 square. Root over, same way. So that is 5. There is root 2 into root 2. How much? 2. So that is 5 by 2 I cap plus j cap. 5 by 2 I cap plus j cap is the required answer. The question. Friends, here find the unit vector perpendicular to A and B. Students, this is A vector. Let this is A vector. And let this is B vector. A vector that is perpendicular to A and B. That is the perpendicular to both means this is nothing but when you take A cross B, the resultant vector may be A to B or B to A, but it is perpendicular to both A and B. Na? That means I have to find a vector which is perpendicular to A and B, then I will find its unit vector. So a vector perpendicular to both the vectors means that is nothing but A cross B. And when I'm interested to find the unit vector of that, the unit vector of A cross B is nothing but A vector cross B vector divided by magnitude of A cross B. That is the unit vector along A cross B. That will be the required vector. As should here A is given how much? 3 I cap 2 j cap minus k cap, and B is I cap minus j cap into k cap. If I'll find, student, A cross B, if I'll find A cross B, then what I have to do? Just simply write I cap, j cap, k cap. 3, 2, minus 1. 1, minus 1, 1. Here I cap into 2 into 1, 2, minus of minus plus, again minus 2 minus 1. Yes or no? Minus j cap into 3 into 1, 3, minus of 1 into 1, minus 1, minus of minus 1, that is 3 plus 1, minus 4 j cap, plus k cap into, students, 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3, minus 2, this is minus 5. So hence the required product will be I cap minus 4 j cap minus 5 k cap. This is the required. I want to find the unit vector that is perpendicular to both. That means what I have to do? I cross B is I got I cap minus 4 j cap minus 5 k cap divided by 1 square plus 16 plus 25. 4 square plus 5 plus square. 5 plus square 25. That is equal to I cap minus 4 j cap minus 5 k cap divided by 25 plus 16 plus 1, that is 42 root under 42. So this is the required answer to the question I cap minus 4 j cap minus 5 k cap by root under 42.